today's outfit brought to you by Lululemon Feet N&Ds, and I just got these new glasses from Key Australia and I think they're awesome, so yes. Hello everyone, so today I'm doing a day in the life vlog for you guys because I am so excited about this day. It's President's Day, so I don't have school, and so I just like jam-packed my schedule today full of great things I can get done. It's like a second Sunday. I'm currently off to bar because I usually go early in the mornings if you guys follow my channel, but since I have the day off, I'm going to the 8:15 class, which I actually need to get going. And I made just regular coffee this morning. I really wanted to show you guys what I've been making most mornings, which is bulletproof coffee, but today all I had time for was regular coffee because I kind of woke up a little later than I wanted to, but you know, oh well. And then I'm going to a late Valentine's Day brunch with Indra, so I'm really excited about that. And then I have a lot of work to do and a lot of calls and client work and podcast recording. So it's like a work day slash fun day. It's also beautiful weather outside, but I need to get going, so I will see you guys there. This is dirty. So we got done with bar, and now I'm actually at Carn because we cleaned out our garage yesterday, and so I dropped off all of the things that were in our garage, clothing, shoes, equipment, and now I'm gonna go meet Indra for brunch. And that was so easy, like thank you Carn, because that was super easy. Guy helped me get all the heavy stuff out of my car, got a receipt, we're good. So I had a few extra minutes before meeting Indra, so I'm heading through a car wash. So we're gonna have some cool colors going, and I'm looking not too hot today. That's okay though. Oh, this is gonna be loud. I didn't think about that. Anyway, if you guys can hear me, I just got a really exciting email about something that's in the works. It's a bad idea. I shouldn't vlog in the car wash. And I'm not going to start giving a lot of information now because it won't be for a few months, but it's very exciting. So I just texted my mom about it and she got back to me. So anyway, yeah. We have our breakfast here with Indra, our late Valentine's Day brunch. I got a breakfast burrito, my new favorite food. Indra got her pancake with her one egg.
This is protein to carbs balance.
There we go. And yes, I'm so excited.
That looks so good.
That was a good time. I was there for a while, like an hour and a half I want to say, so I am so oily, but I got a lot of work done, and now I'm running home. It's 12:30 and I went outside like halfway through working because it's finally got warm out and it's so pretty. Love it. Now I'm gonna drive home with the windows down and listen to some music because that's just like gets me so excited for summer. We're gonna close this. I have about 30 minutes before I'm meeting one of my mom's friends to help her with her Instagram and Facebook. So that's like a little fun in-person meeting. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to film an intro for Wednesday's video. I hope I have time. This is just literally my days. It's just like running from one thing to the next. And I didn't want to show you guys me playing tennis because it was my first time playing in like 9 months, and so I was just getting back into the swing of it, so didn't want to film any of that quite yet, maybe later in the season. But yeah, that's kind of like how I like to keep up with extracurriculars along with work, is I just find any extra amount of time, I squeeze it in. I was like, hey fam, wanna go play tennis with me? For literally, we played for 20 minutes, that was it. Okay, great. We just squeeze in time wherever we can. And now I did a quick shower so I can film a little bit. And yeah, still got a busy day ahead of me, and it's like 2 o'clock. Busy day. So I am back now from my client consultation. It was super great. She has the most adorable farm. Now I'm doing something exciting. Well, I'm working on a poster board for my entrepreneurship class too. But before that, I'm gonna take a picture of this phone case and this day designer planner for an Instagram giveaway. So if you go on my Instagram, make sure to go enter. So I'm gonna take this picture. We're gonna put this down for a backdrop. There we go. Goals are dreams with deadlines. I love that. You guys know me. Shout out to Planoly. We got my finish board for my young entrepreneurship class. Yeah, I haven't done a board in so long, but I got to do it about my business, so it wasn't too bad. So, awesome. Got this done way ahead of time. Okay guys, so dinner was delicious, thank you mother. And now it is about 7:30 and I'm gonna hop on a call with my business coach, Ursula, because not for me this time, it's, well, kind of for me. We're recording a podcast, we're not gonna do a business call, but I'm super excited to have her on the podcast this week. And by the time this video goes up, I think this podcast is already up, so you guys can go check it out at Hannah Ashton Podcast on iTunes or SoundCloud, whichever is best for you. But anyway, yeah, so I'm super excited to hop on this call with her and talk about how she quit her day job and started her business with just being self-taught, and she tripled her income in just 1 month. So she's awesome. I love her, and we're gonna have her on the call. So I'm gonna get on here with her and we're gonna have a good time. And I'm a little tired, but you know, this is just life of a teen entrepreneur. Like, you seriously just push through this kind of stuff at night. And like you guys I think have seen today, like I seriously just schedule in every moment, like dinner, board work, homework, podcast recording, editing, like, and then I'm gonna read more homework before I go to bed. Like, I just schedule in every minute of my day for the most part, with some here and there, but you know. This is how I record my podcast. A little sneak peek. I'm gonna do a video all about it, but this is what it looks like, and then I press record. I actually do a video call to record it.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Good deal. Hold on, let me turn off my old 90s, but you don't know about that. You know.
So what I do is, like, once I press record, we can just do like a little intro thing again, like, hey, thanks for being here, all that. And I'll do your introduction, like all about you and how we met, kind of in a separate recording, so it'll play before it. But yeah, so we'll just go ahead and get started with the questions. They're right then. Okay, awesome. Ready? Here we go. Hey Ursula, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm awesome, thanks. And thank you for being on the podcast. Like, it's so great to have you on here and have our amazing conversations, but record them so that others can hear them too. Okay guys, that is it for this day in the life. I'm changed into my PJs, gonna wash my face, read my book, and get ready for bed. So I hope you guys liked this day in the life. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you want more day in the life vlogs or week in the lives. Like, tell me what you guys want to see, because I want to do that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay happy guys. Bye. Peace out.